You know that feeling when you're awake at 2 a.m., completely captivated by some 10-minute deep dive into the end of the universe or the weirdness of quantum mechanics? Well, you aren't just casually learning about physics in those moments. You are actually being guided through a highly engineered, meticulously crafted narrative machine. Today, we're going to dissect the exact blueprint used by top creators to turn dense, complex scientific concepts into viral, existential masterpieces. We'll be looking at the specific formulas, the script structures, and the modern production pipelines that make this kind of high-retention content possible.
So, to really get this blueprint, we first have to address a pretty fascinating paradox. How exactly do creators take terrifying cosmic dread, concepts like suffocating emptiness or bubbles of eternal night, and transform them into millions of views? Human psychology is tricky, right? We're naturally drawn to things that make us feel incredibly small and insignificant, but only if that dread is packaged in a very specific, accessible way. If it's too dry, it's just a textbook. But if it's too bleak, people just click away. Finding that absolute perfect balance is the key to building a massive, dedicated audience that genuinely craves these mind-bending scientific explorations.
Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The viral science formula. 2. Anatomy of a hit script. 3. The AI production pipeline. And 4. Case study, strange matter.
All right, let's jump right into section 1, the viral science formula.
Channels that absolutely crush it in the cool physics and sweet science niche, think Kurzgesagt or Minute Physics, they never just lecture you. They use a model called sensational curiosity. They frame their titles and concepts as high-stakes provocations, or these massive cosmic paradoxes. Then, they use incredibly immersive hooks that speak directly to you, the viewer, pulling you straight off a cosmic cliff. Instead of passively explaining that a star is dying somewhere millions of light years away, the script puts you right there in the pilot seat. You are zooming away from Earth, watching the universe take its final breath in real time. It takes the abstract and makes it feel immediate, personal, and profoundly impactful.
But to actually pull this formula off, creators have to master a very specific, poetic vocabulary. You have to carefully balance cold, authoritative astrophysics with a deep, resonant sense of wonder and isolation. So instead of simply saying galaxies are far apart, a viral script will describe them as lonely fireflies fading in the dark, or cosmic lichen clinging to the edge of reality. This kind of descriptive language elevates a standard physics lesson into a philosophical exploration of time, space, and loneliness. It entirely bypasses the analytical part of your brain and speaks directly to human emotion. That's how they ensure the scientific concepts stick with you long after the video ends.
Okay, Section 2, Anatomy of a Hit Script.
Now, poetry without a strict structure, that's not going to hold anyone's attention for very long. This exact prompt framework, which actually comes directly from a Notebook LM role prompt for script writing, is how creators engineer that deep retention. Notice what's completely missing here. There are no lengthy, boring greetings or channel intros. It is a hard, sudden hook straight into a cosmic problem, immediately followed by a promise of the solution or the insight you're going to gain. From there, the script uses simple, fast-paced steps that methodically build up to a profound, perspective-shifting realization. But the real secret sauce here is the open loop. Creators will strategically drop phrases like, "but there's one terrifying exception," right before a transition. This mini cliffhanger technique ensures you stay totally glued to the narrative until the very end.
Moving on to section 3, the AI production pipeline.
So writing an existential, cosmic script is really only half the battle. Rendering it into a high-retention visual feast at scale, that requires a massive, streamlined back end. Interestingly enough, the exact same digital infrastructure used by massive brands to scale their marketing is what allows solo science creators to pump out these highly polished documentaries. Behind every sleek explainer is a very unglamorous reality. The modern creators ecosystem relies heavily on navigating secure cloud infrastructure. We're talking countless Google Drive sign-ins, waiting for Cloudflare bot verifications to clear, and digging through hundreds of neon iStock assets just to find the perfect glowing thumbs-up icon or dynamic notification bell to build out that visual retention foundation. It's wild when you contrast the old world of media with the new, because the leap in efficiency is just staggering. Traditional broadcasting like BBC One operates as rigid linear TV. You have a morning news show at 6 a.m., and it is locked into a specific, immovable slot. But then, look at modern AI production platforms like Symphony Creative Studio. These things operate almost at the speed of thought. Creators and marketers can instantly remix footage, generate trendy, fast-paced scripts, and dynamically dub the final export into a dozen different languages simultaneously. It literally takes what used to require an entire television studio and puts it directly into a browser window.
And the impact of this modern pipeline isn't just about speed, it's actually deeply tied to viewer trust. Data from platforms like Symphony shows a massive 48% increase in brand trust when viewers see product-focused ads dynamically tailored to platforms like TikTok. By using AI to adapt the creative perfectly to the exact aesthetic, pacing, and tone the audience already expects, creators and brands are building immense trust at an unprecedented scale. When the content feels totally native to the environment, the audience just naturally lowers their guard and engages more deeply.
Plus, analytical insights reveal a massive psychological trick. Showing human faces or highly realistic digital avatars in the first 2 seconds of your content increases your hooking power by 1.5 times. We are biologically wired to look at faces. If a solo science creator doesn't want to be on camera or a brand doesn't have a spokesperson handy, AI avatar generators can instantly step in to fill that void. This makes sure they lock in the audience's attention using human connection before the complex science or the core message even begins to unfold.
Ultimately, leveraging this AI-driven production pipeline saves marketers and creators an average of 5 to 8 hours of pure grunt work every single week. Think about that. That is effectively an entire working day given back to the creator. And this ties directly back to that sensational curiosity we discussed in Section 1. Instead of manually translating subtitles, rotoscoping assets, or formatting aspect ratios, creators can spend those precious hours researching the next great cosmic mystery and really refining the poetic tone of their next hit script.
And finally, Section 4, Case Study, Strange Matter.
Let's apply this entire formula, the poetry, the structure, the visual hooks, to a concept that is explicitly designed to trigger maximum existential dread: strange matter. To understand the stakes here, you have to know that everything around us, including you and me, is made of standard up and down quarks. But strange matter pushes the limits of atomic structure to the absolute edge. Forged in the incredibly dense, high-pressure crushed hearts of dead neutron stars, regular quarks are forced to a new, strange state. It essentially acts as a stable, subatomic zombie virus, entirely rewriting the laws of physics locally. It represents what could literally be the most dangerous substance in the entire universe.
But here's the catch, and this is that ultimate, terrifying script punchline we talked about earlier. Because strange matter is infinitely more stable than regular matter, it naturally wants to infect everything it touches, forcing regular atoms to become strange too. If just one tiny drop, a single microscopic particle called a strangelet, drifted through the suffocating emptiness of space and made contact with Earth, it would trigger an unstoppable chain reaction. It would instantly dissolve our protons and neutrons, converting our entire world and every single living thing on it into a super-dense lump of gray, lifeless goo. It is the perfect narrative execution, taking a high-level physics concept and turning it into the vivid, unavoidable demise of our reality.
So, we've seen the formula, the script's mechanics, the AI tools, and the sheer captivating power of existential storytelling. We know exactly how the machine works. But understanding the blueprint leaves us with one final, deeply unsettling thought to ponder. If our universe is truly built on a cosmic cliff of such incredibly fragile physics, what other terrifying mysteries are hiding out there in the dark, just waiting for us to shine a light on them?